Start with the class. Okay, I'm going to turn off this comment section so that everyone can see it. After teaching this, after teaching a small part, मैं फिर से comment section on कर दूंगा, तो आपके doubts clear कर लेना इसमें. Okay, okay. I'm turning off this comment section. Okay, so what we'll do is, first of all, this is my right hand, right, right, left, right leg, left leg. Okay, this is my right side, this is my left side. Okay, so don't get confused. Okay, so first of all, I am going to kick my right leg back. Okay, this is my right leg. I'm kicking it and I'm switching it. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Go, kick and switch. More 2 times. 5, 6, 7. Go, kick and switch. Last one time. 5, 6, 7. Go, kick and switch. With this, I'm going to swing my right hand. 1, 2. Okay, and my left hand is here. Okay, see, 5, 6, 7. Go, 1 and 2. I'm doing it 2 more times. 5, 6, 7. Go, 1 and 2. After this, I am switching my profile towards my right side and I am closing my hands. My right hand will be on the top and my left hand at the bottom. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Go, 1. I'm doing it from the top. 5, 6, 7. Go, 1 and 2 and. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Go, 1, 2 and. Okay, after this, okay, one more time. My right hand is on top. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Go. After this, I am opening it at the center. Open. Okay, with this, I'm switching my legs again. See, 1. 1. Okay, I'm kicking it again. See, 5, 6, 7. Go. Take it back. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1. Okay, with this, while switching it, we have to open our hands at the center. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1. Okay, so I am doing it from the top. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2 and 3. Any doubt? Any doubt? You all can let me know just with yes or no. Okay, should I move forward? Should I move forward? Yes, no, yes, no. Okay, I think I should move forward. Okay, I'm turning it back. Okay, after this, this is my right leg. Forget about your hands. This is my right leg. I'm kicking it forward. Okay, don't kick it here, just cross it. 5, 6, 7. Go, kick. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Go, kick. With this, the answer here, just move it in a circular motion. See, this is my right hand. My right hand will go up and place it here, and my left hand will go down and place it here. Okay, on my right shoulder. See, 5, 6, 7. Go, 1, 2. You have to do this fast with your kick. See, 5, 6, 7. Go, 1. 5, 6, 7. Go, 1. Okay, from here, 5, 6, 7. Go, 1. All right, let's do it from the top. 5, 6, 7. Go, 1, 2 and 3 and. Okay, it is very fast, not very fast. Okay, did you guys get that kick part? This part? Please reply. Yes, no. Okay, quick learners. Okay, so I'm moving forward again. After this, just again with your right leg, just place it back. Tap, tap. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go tap. And with your hands, just cross it down. 5, 6, 7, go cross. इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, जो आपको कंफर्टेबल होगा वो हाथ ऊपर नीचे रख सकते हैं. बट विद दिस ओनली 5, 6, 7, go tap. Okay, but don't settle down here. We have to move forward with this. I'm taking it from the top, slowly, very slow. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Again 2 times, last 2 times. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Last one time, little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, after tapping it, just switch it back. Switch. See, switch. I'll do it from here. 5, 6, 7, go. Switch and. Okay. And here. Sorry. Let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, switch. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. Tap, switch. After this, you have to hop from here 2 times. Just see. And tap, tap. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Move in a circular motion like this. See. And 2 and your hands will be like this. Here. 1. Okay. Just this. Let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7, go. Tap, jump, jump. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. Tap, jump, jump. Let's do it from the top. After this, okay. With this, we are finishing it in, let me say, 25%. Let's do it from the top 3 times. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and hop, hop. Last 2 times. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and tap, tap. Last 1 time. Little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. Okay. Let me know if you guys have any doubt. Okay, okay. So one more time slowly. All right. Okay, I'll repeat it last 1 time. Then we'll move forward. Okay. Let's do it. I'm turning off this again. 5, 6, 7. Last 2 times. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 Last one time. 5, 6, 7. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. With this, I'm moving forward. You are here. Keep this in mind. You have to move in a circular motion, not don't go towards your left side. Just one, then turn. Just move it in a circular motion, like U-turn मारना, right? Okay. So with this, you have to walk towards your right side. Just 1, 2. I hope you all must be knowing this. Okay. Okay. See. This is my last position. Okay. Just place it down, and while placing it, twist your right leg. See. Twist, 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 twist. Okay. With this, you have to move forward towards your right side. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. With this, my left hand is here. This is my right hand. I am doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See. 5, 6, 7. Go. Left, right, left, right. ये opposite करना है. See. This is my last position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Remember, this is little bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is faster. 4. Your last position will be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just do it 4 times. After this, just hold, pull. Okay. This is Okay. Just hold and don't look at the center. Just look to your right side while walking also. Okay. See. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, after doing this, give a look towards your center. Okay. See. I'm doing it from the top. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and look. Okay. Just let me know if you all get this right. I'll play the music.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana.
Got it. Should I do it on the music? We have to go faster than this.
You're now connected to Boat Zone 1000.
Okay. Music. Yes. I'm playing the music. Okay. First I'll do it slowly. Just you guys can do it with me. It is very slow. After doing it 1 or 2 times slowly, we'll do it on the actual rhythm. Okay. First, just see. Very slow, very slow. Do it with me one time. Do it with me on the same rhythm. Five, got it? Got it? Yes, no? Okay, I'm switching it back to the normal rhythm. Just try it once. Just see once. All right. Last one time, then I'll move forward. Last one time. Just do it with me. Do it with me. All right. I'm moving forward. I'm moving forward. I'm turning off the comment section. You guys are here. This was your last position. After this, don't get confused. Don't get confused. It is very easy. Just do a wave with your hands, with both your hands towards your right side. One. Okay. This is one. After this, pull. This is two. Okay. One, two. After this, insert your hands in your jacket. See. One. Bring it back here. Forward. Okay. See. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. I'm doing it 2 more times. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Last time. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, pull, 3, 4. Okay. This is my last position. I'll show you my legs. Just hop on your right leg. Okay, this is my right leg. Hop, or you can say you are kicking your left leg back. See, one. After this is one. Just twist your left leg. This is two, right? Okay. See, 1, 2. Okay. We'll do it with this 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. Okay. While twisting it, pull your hands. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. Okay. This is faster than this. This is like 1, 2. Okay. Do it with me. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. Okay. After this, place your left leg and now kick your right leg. Same goes with your right leg. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see, left twist, right twist. All right, and with your hands, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do it slowly. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'll do it slowly one more time. Sorry, last 2 times. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Let's connect it with this part from here. Okay. Be here. 5, 6, 7. Go. Dingy, 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 dingy. Look. Uf Husnadi Rani. This ends on Rani and this is Uf, not Husn. Okay. Just start your second part on Uf. See. Dingy, 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 dingy. Look. Uf Husnadi Rani. Alright. Let's do it from here. Last 2 times. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look. Uf Husnadi Rani. Alright. Now, okay, last 1 time. 5, 6 from here. 5, 6, 7. Go. Dingy, 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 dingy. Look. Uf Husnadi Rani. Alright. I'm moving forward from here. I'm placing my right leg towards my right side and switching my profile. 1. थोड़ा सा slide आएगा, थोड़ा सा, just a little bit, not too much. 1. Okay. Move your pelvis back. After this is 1. Now bend your legs. See, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. Okay, this is 2. With this, your last position was here. I'm showing you my hands, just my hands. I'm pushing something down with my palm. 1. And after this, I'm joining my hands. See, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. Okay. Let's do it with our legs from here. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. Okay. This is 1. This is 2. And with your hands, this is 1. This is 2. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. Okay. Let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7. Go. Uf Husnadi Rani by God. This is by, this is God. Okay. By God. Okay. One last time from here. 5, 6, 7. Go. Uf Husnadi Rani by God. Okay. After this, I'm facing towards my left diagonal. Okay. This is my left diagonal. This is my right diagonal. So after this, I just have to switch my profile towards my right side, and I will open my hands like this. See. Okay. See. While changing your profile, right? Okay. See, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1. 1. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1. Okay. See. और ये आपके knees bend रहेंगे. After this, start a wave from your right hand. 1. Now 1, and you have to jump towards your left on 2. See, 1, 2. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. And this wave will end here over your head. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. Let's do it from here. Last one. 1 time. 5, 6, 7. Go. Uf Husnadi Rani by God. Lag the and. This is the. Okay. Last one time, just for me. 5, 6, 7. Go. Husna di Rani by God lag di. Okay. Last two steps. After this, we'll finish with a 50% choreo. Okay. Lag di. Okay. Now, just start your wave with your right hand. See, this was my last position. Now 1, 2. Okay, see 5, 6. This was my last position. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2 and. Okay, with this I am placing my left leg forward. See, after this, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. Place it forward, bring it back. Place it forward, bring it back. I'm starting this with my left leg. See, 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2 and. Do it with your hands. This was my last position. This is my left hand. See, this is my left hand. And it up here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2 and. And थोड़ा सा फ्लेवर देना है, हमटी डमटी वाला. सी 5, 6, 7. Go up, down, up, down. Okay. Let's do it from here. 5. This is by God. This is God. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Go. Lag the and dingy 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 ding. Okay. With this, aha. आपको ये aha करना है या aha करना है. Depends on you. You can do whatever you want. See. Dingy 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 dingy. Aha. Okay. Do this. Do this. This is 1. This is 2. I'm pushing something back. Okay. Let's do it from the second part from here. After this, I'll turn on my comment section. This was my last question. After look, ये look का भी एक count है. All right. ये look को miss मत करना. Dingy 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 dingy. Look. So after giving a look, your second part starts from here. See, dingy 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 ding. Look and. Okay. And Husna ऐसे. From here, after your look, 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and Okay. मैं थोड़ा सा गाना गा लेता हूँ. 5, 6, 7. Go. Husna di Rani by God lag di. Dingy 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 dingy. Okay. Last one time. 5, 6, 7. Go. Husna di Rani by God lag di. Dingy 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 dingy. All right. Let's take it from the top, from the very first part. I think from here. Okay. Very slow. Very slow. 5, 6, 7. Go. Jetu. Sorry. Nachdi. This is Nachdi. Jetu abhi के लिए सुनना है. 5, 6, 7. Go. Nachdi kudi tu badi hot lag di hi. Husna di Rani by God lag di hi. Dingy 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 dingy. All right. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Let's take it on music. Last one time we'll do it on music. After this I'm moving forward because we are going very slow. Okay. Okay, let's do it on the music. Again, I'm taking it slow. One time we'll do it slowly, and one time we'll do it on the actual rhythm. Okay. एक बार स्टार्ट से, एक बार काउंट से. ओह माय गॉड. ओके, लास्ट वन टाइम ऑन माय काउंट्स. Very slow. 5. I'll not count. I'll just sing. Okay, so please bear with my voice. Uh, here. 5, 6, 7. Go. नचदी कुड़ी तू बड़ी हॉट लगदी ही. डिंगी 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 डिंगी. हाँ. लुक उस हुस्न दी रानी बाय गॉड लगदी ही. डिंगी 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 डिंगी. हाँ. Okay. I'll make it slow. Just get an idea. Five. Five, 6, 7. Last one time. Last one time. Same speed. Same speed. This is slower. Okay. I'm turning it back to the actual rhythm. Be ready. Be ready. See the speed is. Five, 6, 5, 7. Your wish, your wish. You can dance with your shoes on. I'm playing it one last time. For the one last time. Five, 6, 5, 6, 7. Got it? Got it? Got it? Yes, no? ओके, क्लियर हो गया बेख्याली. Okay, should I move forward? Should I move forward? Okay, I think I should move forward. Pooner, please save it, sir. Okay, all right, I'll save it. नेक्स्ट पार्ट, नेक्स्ट 50% इससे थोड़ा सा फास्ट होगा. So don't get confused. It is very easy. Don't get confused. Don't get stressed out. Just be calm and learn the choreo first. Okay. I'll do it. Okay, sure. After this, okay, we have finished with 50%. Okay, so I'm turning off my comment section. Sorry, guys. Okay, so after this, our second part. This is our second part.
Hello.
First part was about Punjab. Just forget the first part. See, now I am crossing my right leg. This is my right leg. I am crossing my right leg. After this, I am again crossing my left leg. See, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. With this, your hands will be 1. Just pull something or hit with your elbow. See, 1. Just do a roly poly and stop. Hold here. This is my right hand. Okay. See, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Do it with your legs. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Okay. This is very fast. After this, just place your right leg forward. 1. See, this will look like 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Don't settle down here. See, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Stop here. Okay. Your hands will be 1, 2. Just place your right hand on your left shoulder. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. See, this is 2. And while placing my right leg forward, I'll just place my right hand towards my left side. Okay, I'll do it for the last time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. After this, again you have to switch your left leg and kick with your right knee. See, 5, 6, 7, go. 1. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. You have to jump forward. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. After while doing this, just try to open your jacket. Imagine you are opening a jacket. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. See, 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Okay. 1. Let's do it from the top. From here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay. This is 1 and 2 and. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and. Last two time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt till here? Please let me know. 9:45 हो जाएगा शायद. क्या करूं? Okay, no doubt. I'm moving forward from here. Okay, this was my last position. After this, just try to jump on your right leg now. See, one same position but आपका प्रोफाइल चेंज होगा. Okay, see 5 6 7 go jump. 5 6 7 go jump. Okay, and your hands will be, you're opening it here, you have to close it here, but while closing it just cross your hands. See, 1 2. Okay, see 1 2 1 2. Okay, with this to move forward and 1 2. I'm doing it from the top. 5 6 7 go 2 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, I'll try to sing. 5 6 7 go. जे तू नचदी कुड़ी तू बड़ी हॉट लग. Hot lug. Now B and just move one, come back, step step. Okay, one, again you have to cross it here. I'll do it from the top again. 5 6 7 go. जे तू नचदी कुड़ी तू बड़ी हॉट लग दी. Oof. Oof. This is oof, huh? This is oof. I'll do it one more time. 5 6 7 go. जे तू नचदी कुड़ी तू बड़ी हॉट लगदी. Oof. Okay, oof. After this, our tough parts end here. After this, it is very easy. Now, I hope you are crossing your hands here also. Just place your hands down and cross it here. See, 5 6 7 go down. Push it down. Push. Okay, and move your left leg forward here. Okay, 5 6 7 go 1. 5 6 7 go 1. Okay, तो ये सबको आता है 1 2. गोली गोली वाला स्टेप है. ठीक है, 5 6 7 go push. Okay, now do the same steps toward your right side. See, 1 2, and while going towards your left side, just open your hands. See, 5 6 7 go 1 2. 5 6 7 go 1 2. Okay, again I'll do it from the top. 5 6 7 go. जे तू नचदी कुड़ी तू बड़ी हॉट लगदी. उफ हुस्नादी. हुस्नादी. Now stand here. See, this was your last step. Now open your legs and stand like this. Okay, 5 6 7 go this, and you have to look towards your left side up. Okay, up. Now just pop your shoulder up. First your left, then your right. दो बेस आ रहे हैं, दो बेस है. बुम 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 बुम. Okay, so you have to pop boom 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 boom. Okay, we'll do it from here. Last 5 6 7 go. Oof, push. Okay, 5 6 7 go 1 2 3. 5 6 7 go 1 2 3. Okay, let's do it from here again. 5 6 7 go. जे तू नचदी कुड़ी तू बड़ी हॉट लगदी. उफ हुस्नादी रानी. This is Rani. Now, by God, बाय गॉड के पीछे दो बेस है, बुम बुम, बाय गॉड। तो आप बेस भी रेफरेंस ले सकते हो या फिर बाय गॉड भी रेफरेंस के लिए ले सकते हो। ऑलराइट, दिस इज बाय गॉड। नाउ क्रॉस योर लेग्स, आफ्टर दिस क्रॉस योर लेग्स and hold your hands. 5, 6, 7, go. Now 5, 6, 7, go down. Now turn back from your left shoulder, and my right legs, my right leg will come in front. I'll move back from my left shoulder. See, I'm moving back. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 5, 6, 7, go. Now while turning back, I'm placing my hands on my knees. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Now again, you have to turn back from your left shoulder again. And while turning back, you have to jump. 5, 6, 7, go. Jump. Okay. See, this will look like this. By God, luck, be, and. This is my right hand. This is my left hand. My left hand will come here. My right hand will look like this. Okay. We'll do it from here. 5, 6, 7. Go. जे तू नच दी कुड़ी तू बड़ी हॉट लग दी उफ हुस्ना दी रानी बाय गॉड लग दी एंड। Any doubt? Any doubt? We are done with 75% choreo. Any doubt? Any doubt? We are done with 75% of choreo. Okay. Okay, let's do it on music. We'll go faster. Just see me once. Just see me once, okay? Okay, just to give an idea, I'm doing it one more time, full out. Just see, or else you all can do it with me. Okay. मैं रोज लाइव नहीं आता हूँ, क्यूट लौंडा। मैं रोज लाइव नहीं आता हूँ। Okay, I'm playing. We'll do it from here. From here. Okay, let's move forward. Let's move forward. Should I move forward? Yes, I'll save this live. Okay, I'm moving forward. यहाँ से इजी सी पार्ट होगा. जस्ट ओके. वन मोर थिंग 9:26 हो गया है. 9:30 को लाइव एंड हो जाएगा. डोंट वरी. मैं सेव करके फिर से आई कम लाइव. ओके. ओके. अगर ये लाइव एंड होता है मैं फिर से इसके बाद एंड करके फिर से एक सेकेंड में लाइव फिर से आ जाऊँगा. ऑल राइट. डोंट वरी. आज ही मैं सब सिखाऊंगा. डोंट वरी. सब आ जाएगा. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. नाउ okay, I'm turning off my comment section. This choreo is about 45 or 50 seconds. 45 or else 50 seconds. Okay, I'm turning off my comment section. I'm moving forward. So this was our last step. Now you have to jump forward and place both your legs together. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Okay, with this you have to swing your right hand. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Okay, with this you have to do one Chicago footwork. See, 1. I'm kicking my left leg and I'm twisting my right leg out. 1. See, 5, 6, 7, go. 1. 1. ये आता है सबको. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and. Okay, with this you have to pull. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Okay, after this come back here again. This is 3. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it one last time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, after this I am moving my right leg out and I am opening my both my knees. 1. Okay, and you have to insert your hands again in your jacket. 1. Okay, let's do it slowly. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and. Let's do it faster. This will look like 1, 2, 3 and. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and. Okay, and now you have to jump towards your left side. Jump and place your right toe. Okay, see, 5, 6, 7, go. Jump and I'm placing my right toe. Okay, see, jump. Okay, with this, by after jumping you have to move for 3 steps. See, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, right, left, right. Just try to move as far as you can. ये जगह पे नहीं करना. हॉप 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 करके करना है. All right, let's do it after this. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 3 steps है. 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, after this just cross your hands and place it here. Okay, this will come on smile. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and smile kudiye. Okay, smile kudiye. This is na smile kudiye. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and smile. Just I'm turning off my comment section. Okay, this is 1, 1, 2, 3. After this, just be on your toes. Up, up. Now go down, down, and invert your legs. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. This is 1, 2. Okay. After this, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay. Now I'll show you my hands. I'll show you my hands. My right hand will come on my left shoulder, and my left hand will be here, cross, as if you are hugging someone. Okay. This is 1. This is 2. 2. This is 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, here's the tricky part. After this, 1, 2, 3. Just do 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. While coming on your toes, just do 1, 2. Now, while going back, 3. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'll show you again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Kudiye. 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Last 2 times. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Kudiye. 1, 2, 3. Okay. After this, you have to go for a James Brown step. Just twist your right leg. Twist your right leg and place your left leg back. See, back. Now open. Now same goes with your left leg. Twist, open. Okay. See, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Okay, so while doing this, just place your hands here, or else here. Your wish. Okay, like this, like this. Okay. Let's do it from here. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and. Alright, let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now after this, just after finishing this, just give your look to your right side. 1. Now you can do whatever you want for 2 counts. 1, 1, 2. Again, वहाँ पर 2 बेस आ रहा है. 1, 2. You can do whatever you want, like just chuck 1, 2, or else 1, 2, whatever you want. Okay. I'll show you from here. Slowly. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Kudiye. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. With this, we are done with the choreo. I'm turning on my comment section again. Just you can ask me whatever you want regarding this choreo. All right. I'll play it from the top slowly. Very slow. All right. So just see, and after this, just do it with me. I'm playing it very slowly. See. Just do it with me. Let's make it faster. Not the actual rhythm, but slower than that. Just do it with me. Do it with me. Let's take it on the actual rhythm. Do it with me. Do it with me on the actual rhythm. Any questions? Yeah, I'm saving it live. I'm saving it live. Did you guys get the steps? Did you guys get the steps? What should I? Okay, can you guys show me? Can you guys show me if you all get the steps right? What is the last step? Uh, that is a James Brown step. See, twist in, twist in. You just have to twist your right leg, then your left leg. See, twist in, and while twisting it, just place your left leg back. Twist. Now in, again with the left leg. Twist in. See. Okay. You guys want to see it once? You guys want to watch? Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Okay. Just see, just see. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. Chalo, I'll see you guys soon. I'll see you guys soon. I also enjoyed this class very much. I'll Chalo, I'll go see you guys soon. Bye.